Good day. This 172nd day, meaningful moments, 365 days. It was an interesting night last night. About the time we were getting ready to kind of wind down and, do all our evening rituals, things like that, we heard the rain coming and the wind picking up, and we could see lightning in the distance. Then I was just about finishing up one of my fire ceremony rituals that I do, and I was already perceiving in this energy field how outside was getting very strong energetically. And then we heard the tornado sirens go off. And it was an interesting thing because both my husband and I have been in situations growing up in Michigan, Illinois, Midwest, when that happens, what it sounds like. And we started to share some of the experiences that we had when we were kids and the different feelings we might have had, things like that. And it was interesting just to see and hear the different perspectives that we had. And we were both very calm, and he went outside to check on a couple things. I checked on my cats, and I started thinking, what we might need to do if we had to go downstairs into the garage, and just a couple of different things that we might need to do. And in that moment, the meaningful moment came about thinking about what would I take? What would be the things that I would try to take? And it was a very interesting few moments to just perceive calmly that there's very little, and even though you have to say goodbye to so many things, there'd be so little things that would really be of importance. And obviously the cats were like the number one thing that we were thinking, and I think my husband said, well, I think I'd grab my laptop because that has like all this information and so much of our photos and pictures or whatever stored. And it made me think about people, were they safe where they were, and all around us, in other situations, when people have natural disasters, and obviously people who have survived through tornadoes and all those kinds of things, and this being a season, and of course all over the world there are things happening all the time. And my heart felt like it was extended like a lot more, encompassing the fullness of that and what people go through. And that was a meaningful moment for me. And then this morning, kind of still picking up the pieces or piecing together the pieces, all our plants and everything did okay. We had a wall decoration that flew off the door, and we had to, salvage the pieces. And this morning I was like a puzzle, putting them together and seeing if we were able to salvage all those pieces, and figured that out. And it was just a beautiful moment of awareness of what we have, the things that are important to us, what we cherish and love, and all of it is in an instant of a moment that it can change in so many different ways. So for you today, being present in the moment and loving every moment of it, and being able to hold everything near and dear to us right here as we move about the day and we encounter different experiences and live life. Aho.